In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important concept. It's a little bit related to coding, but not in all coding itself. So, just to give you an idea, for example, if you have a website or a web page and you think that that web page or website is in the part of the development process, which means you still have to add bunch of items, you still have to add a video, you still have to add images, you might want to add some testimonials, but you have added a basic body text and you have even written a title about that post or part of the web page of the website, but you don't want people to see it on Google. So robots.txt is a file or is a text based code that is used on the back end of your website, and it specifically mentions the page which you don't want Google bots or spiders to enter and crawl that web page. Now, if for any reason you don't want it to appear on Google or other search engine results, do mention it to your website developer. Or if you are already aware about of how you can do it, then you have to use this robots.txt file, and the snippet will make sure, although Google bots and spiders do work on their own, it does not guarantees 100% accuracy, but chances are that the bots and spiders of Google or other search engines are not going to crawl your website or web page that contains this small snippet of code, which is robots.txt. Many big companies sometimes they do a mistake, and the web page or content that is in part of the development process show up in search results just because of this small mistake that they placed this have not placed this robots.txt code on the web page or back end of the website. And another mistake that happens is that once the page is complete, they have added all the content, all the videos, testimonials, etc., etc. But when the website is published, there is no record of this web page on search engines. So people are not able to reach the content that is present on that web page. And as a result, the company or the business might lose some customers. So keep that in mind if you want your page or website to be displayed in search engine results. Then do not use this code or remove this code if you have already placed this before. But if you think you still have to add a bunch of items before it appears in the results, do mention it to your website developer or place this code in the back end of your website so that it cannot be crawled by Google bots and spiders.